What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has not been performing too well. As you guys can see, it has been dropping in value quite a bit over the last week and a half. So we're going to be going through what is next for AMP, guys. Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? And is there a potential pump coming through, not just for AMP but the crypto market in general, which of course will have an impact on AMP as well. So going through its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024, and looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and mainly looking at also, is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto has officially dropped back down into the red zone, which is not a good sign. The last time it was in the red zone was back in March, and then it literally pumped up all the way up to the 2 cents target this one day where it went crazy, straight away dropped back down, and has slowly and steadily been dropping in value ever since, and has right now ended back down into the red zone, which again, to some of you guys, those of you guys looking to buy the dips, may be a good news. However, for those of you guys holding on to it for the long term, it may not seem too good, but that's what we're here for, to look at its prediction over the next few hours, days, weeks, months, and overall over the next few potential years as well. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale for now and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And we can see that the value of AMP is still trading below the SMA indicator here in purple, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. However, that could also mean that it may be slightly undervalued and may be in for a little bit of an increase in value over the coming weeks and months as well, which we'll also be covering. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected from AMP over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too major, not a huge pump or anything like that. It is likely to be very minimal, but the whole point is that an over increase in value is expected. But again, do expect red candles in between as well. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish, guys. Looking a little bit more steep than the previous chart, so more increases in value are expected from AMP over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of next week, AMP should have once again gone for an overall increase in value, and I'm expecting it to head up closer to the 0.006 cents target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by the end of next week, hitting more green candles. However, do expect the odd red day in between, guys, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back in value, going through a dip. However, once again, the overall outcome at the moment seems to be more on the positive side, so heading over 0.006 cents is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken a complete U-turn. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards the bearish direction, looking quite negative. However, the reason they're looking quite negative is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last few potential 2 weeks, guys. But from the analysis and predictions that I have done, I'm expecting AMP to go through an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So early to mid August 2024 AMP should be trading over the 1 cent target, potentially getting closer to 0.015 cents in value is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at in early August. However, this is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates or news I come across that can have a potential impact on the value of AMP, either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far for the long term, it is looking quite good for AMP, and I myself have also invested into the crypto quite a while back, and I'm still holding on to it for the long term. And yes, I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid-August, guys, which should have a major impact on the crypto market heading up towards a positive direction. But again, crypto is a volatile market, things do change, so that's why I'm here to keep you guys updated on a daily basis. So bringing back the Fibonacci scale, we have dropped down into the red zone. It is likely to drop down a little bit further over the coming days before it slowly starts to increase in value, hitting green candles, heading back into the green zone, and then into the dark green, blue and top tier level here in August. September is what my expectations are. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped over 40% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $10 million, guys. The reason it's dropped quite a lot is because, as you guys can see, over the last few days, it has hit red candles and has dropped overall over 7% in the last 7 days, which is not looking too great, and over the month over 21% down, guys. So a fifth of its value has been wiped out in a single month, which is again not a good sign. However, as I mentioned, it should start to recover, hitting more green candles over the coming days, weeks and months as well. So this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are for AMP. I've seen comments saying that it most likely will hit 10 cents by the end of the year, which is quite of a push, guys. 10 cents this year, bearing in mind we've got just about 6 months left, is, well, I'm not saying is impossible, but it's very, very unlikely that it will do that, because for that to take place, it will require a major increase in value, percentage increase, which I'm not expecting, and even if it does, it will make it not sustainable. So yeah, I'm not expecting it to hit 10 cents at the moment, at least not for the next 12 to 18 months. Let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. At the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.